Kuma tene UTARAMU wa guteithiriria atumia riria maraheo ciana oikaine gukorwo ari wira wa atumia. No hihi ukirora na njira ya uriku UTARAMU uyu ukuruhanagia ki?
But a midwife is a trained professional, a trained healthcare professional who help in assisting women during their pregnancy period, during their childbirth period, during the postnatal period.
Na hihi wira uyu ukoragwo na ngurani iriku na wira uria urutagwo ni manathi aria angi?
Any sick patient that needs nursing care, that is for the nurse. But for the midwife, they are specifically trained. They have some additional training, basically for a pregnant mother, that is during pregnancy and during childbirth and even post-delivery.
Victor MBOYA ni muteithiriria wa atumia aria maraheo ciana kana midwife. Aratariria kuri we uyu to wira amu ni ritana.
I realized that in the hospital, the people who were taking care of my grandmother were nurses. Most of the time, so I could ask them questions, and then I got so interested, and I was very happy with what they were doing, because I realized that they had vast knowledge on how to take care of this patient. They had a lot of knowledge in medicine, so I got the interest.
Wiro uyu ona kuhanoro uguo ti muhuthu amu morito magwo no tama aruti wira angi thiini wa sekta ya ugima wa mwiri.
I work here in Mama Lucy. This is the referral facility for Eastlands. We get all the referrals from all over. So at some point we get to do 30 to 40 deliveries in 24 hours. So sometimes it's a bit overwhelming.
Thengia ya gutigirira ugima wa mwiri wa atumia aria aratungatira ni warururia kwagiriire. Victor no anyitaga itemi hari gutigirira ona kimeciria atumia ya matirio gwatine.
So mother may stay home, kumbe not feeling the fetal heart rate, fetal kicks not there. So when they come, you realize that they come late when now the baby is not alive. There's a mother who has other issues. Maybe she has lost even more, some other babies before. So even breaking this information, breaking this news to them, it's not an easy task.
Victor aratwira ati thengia ya mahinda gukorwo magicenjia andu aingi makoragwo magiciriria wira uyu ndufataranagia ugi munene, aingi makiona ta motungata ma ataramu aya mafataranagia o riria atumia maraherwo ciana miciini.
When a mother is in the hands of a midwife, that mother is assured of safety. For instance, in Mama Lucy, in Mama Lucy we have at every shift we have the midwives, we have the doctors, and we have the consultant.
Thii yothe igikungwira muthe wa maabitha aya ritana riria rikitio kuri thirikari ni kugacirithia motungata ma atumia riria maraheo ciana na gutigirira kuri na aruti wira a kuigana na oho gutigirira mirutire yao ya wira ni gacirithitio kumagitira kumana na mathina ma kimeciria.
We normally even have sessions where we do mental health awareness. Yes. They bring for us experts on mental health awareness. Then we are taken through mental health awareness, even financial actually.
Hadwini hakameme TV, Jutagogena Wawaduro.